Hey friends, who's hungry? Looking for a way to use up a garden bounty of okra and tomatoes? Try this recipe for bone-in chicken thighs roasted in a rich sauce of sliced okra, tomatoes, and herbs. Preheat an oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Season both sides of 8 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs with salt and pepper. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Working in batches if needed, add the chicken skin side down to the pan. Sauté until the skin is browned, about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove the chicken from the pan and set aside. Add 1 cup of fresh or frozen okra to the pan and sauté for about 5 minutes. Add 4 cloves of minced garlic and sauté until fragrant, about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Add 1 cup of chicken broth and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste to the pan. Stir until the tomato paste is completely dissolved. Add 2 cups of tomatoes, 1½ teaspoons of dried basil, and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Sauté for 2 to 3 minutes, then season the sauce with salt and pepper to your preference. Spread the tomato and okra sauce into the bottom of a 9 by 13 by 2 inch baking dish. Nestle the chicken thighs in the sauce, then bake the chicken for 40 to 45 minutes or until the meat's internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow the chicken to rest for 10 to 15 minutes before serving. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.